Hey guys, welcome to my channel Success Sequence, where we daily analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty's expected move and important level for the next day. So in my previous video I did mention that if market trades below 9813, which is a crucial support for the market, you should go short and expect at least a level of 9762. But if you could see, market did achieve that level and even further went down. Further, I also said that if market trades above its 55 days exponential moving average, you should remain long. But if you are with me on my WhatsApp broadcast, I did mention earlier that see 10:35 I mentioned strictly trade as per the video analysis, and at 10:35 I said that not able to sustain above 55 days EMA, so you should be on a lower side. Further, I said that we should not hold any position, and the reason I'll explaining in a bit. So now what is the thing going on in the market right now is, if you see a long term market for the past few months, let me just explain to you in a bit. First, market did try to break above its 34 days exponential moving average. That got challenged again here. Finally here market did break its 34 days exponential moving average and finally traded at 55 days exponential moving average. Further, it went up, went went quite up, and further came down right to its 55 days exponential moving average. Now again trading higher, broken its 55 days exponential moving average, and now trading below is 89 days exponential moving average. So if market trades below 8680 in a days to come, you can definitely expect a level of 9566 in a days to come, provided other indicators also confirms our move. So far the current position suggests that market should go much down, but there are only one chance that we can bet on, and that is the only reason I have not suggested my subscriber for the any kind of position, because MACD is trading at a crucial support level. So you, if you see some sort of bounce back, if at all it should be coming, it should come now. Otherwise you can expect a market to trade at a quite lower level, and 9566 would be the ultimate target for the Nifty. If you analyze option chain data, I can clearly see that 9750 is the level where maximum call writing has happened. Close to 14,95,650 contracts has been opened. So it is again suggesting that the market participants are not sure about the market trading above 9750, and that is the only reason we have been witnessing this kind of aggressive call writing. So what you can do in this market, I'll suggest in a bit, but let us further first look at the put position or put market participants expectation. So here I can see that fresh bearish position is created at a level of 9600, 9650 and 9750, and all the levels are or the levels I can see a put short covering has taken place, and that is also in a huge number. So that is what is something suggesting that the market participants are not sure for the higher levels and they are expecting a down move. Now let's cut to the recommendation part and what you should do, guys. As far as market trades below is at 89 days exponential moving average, you can definitely go and short go and write call option of 9950 level. What would be your stop loss? Your stop loss would be if market trades above 89 days exponential moving average, and what you can do is you can cover your position if at all market trades above 55 days exponential moving average. So we are shorting 34 days exponential moving average, and since the expiry is near, you are definitely not going to see that much sort of aggression or increase in prices even if market comes to high level. So that is the only thing I could suggest to you, but I also suggest never go for the naked call writing. You should also hedge your position. Now how can you hedge your position? You can buy slightly higher call options, like say you have got 20 rupees premium for that. Now what you can do is you can buy slightly lower premium call options so that you can get a spread, so that spread will be your profit, and the difference between the both the strike prices will be your maximum loss if at all market trades against your expectations. So that is what you should do. Same thing you can also employ for the put, but since we are not sure whether market is going to trade on a on upside or downside, we are trying to take a bet on a call short part, because market is now trading below 89 days exponential moving average. MACD is trading in a negative zone, RSI is also suggesting that the market should go down. However, a last sort of support is here. That is the only reason I did not suggest it my WhatsApp subscriber to hold any position, because we can also witness up move from here. But the call writing part would be very much safe, because market is not expected to come at this level in a short span of time, uh, because there is also limited time left, and market need to cover quite amount of distance to come at this level. So one thing that I should admit that I was not sure is that increase in volatility, because I was expecting a volatility to come down, rather than that my volatility has increased. So the reason was that also the news that the India Myanmar border news that came into the picture, so that is something that increased the volatility. But even if you have considered my previous video analysis and traded accordingly, you should have definitely made the money. So that is what my analysis for the Nifty. If market trades below 89 days exponential moving average, you should definitely go and short uh, 34 days exponential moving average, which is coming up at 9950 level. So you can write 9950 call option, definitely hedge your position. And I am hopeful that market should trade stable to sideways. But one thing, let me warn you that if market breaks 9685, you can definitely expect accelerated down move towards lower level, and that can uh, take the market to further lower level of 964 just a second, 9590 is the level at least you should expect if this level gets broken. Now let us check the weekly chart, so that we can also get the confirmation of what we are trying to do. So here you can see that again market is trading at its 21 days exponential moving average. So any break below this level will take market to 9506. So that is what in something that is in line with our analysis. Further, at a weekly chart, you can see that market is now trading near the zero line MACD. That is something I'm talking about. So if you see MACD falling below the zero line with a bearish crossover, you are definitely going to see a huge decrease in the market, which will take market to a level of 9506. So that was my analysis for the Nifty. Let's look at a monthly chart, because market is trading at a quite a crucial range, and it has received a quite a huge amount of rejection at a higher prices. Here you can see the bearish crossover has formed. So get ready for the 9245 if this bearish crossover accelerates. So 9511 is 8 days exponential moving average being our first target. So if you want to trade this market, what I would suggest is you should definitely sell 10,200 call option, or you can write 10,200 call option, and expect a market to trade below that level. The level where you should be covering your position is 9920, and if market trades above this level, you should definitely cover your call short position. uh, One thing that we should also check is RSI at a monthly level is not yet crossed below the red line, so that is something we should wait for and break below this red line, and if you are short, you can definitely end up making a lot of money. So this was some short to medium term view, but let us again reiterate what I have suggested today. If market trades below 9680, you can stay short, go short, create a fresh short in the market, and expect a level till uh, 9580 at least. So that is what, because we are seeing some sort of support at this level. Here you can see market coming down, coming up. So 95 uh, 9.80 some kind of level you can expect if the market trades below 96 yeah 9680. Okay, and again you can also observe the bearishness everywhere in the charts, so that is something I am recommending. Even if market trades above its 89 days exponential moving average, I recommend that you can definitely go and short 34 days exponential moving average, which is coming up at 9950 level. Again, hedge your position, and don't take high risk. If you feel that you are not able to take much risk, you can definitely cover your position as soon as you feel that losses are exceeding your risk appetite. So that is what my analysis for the Nifty. And now let's quickly find out what the Bank Nifty is suggesting. If you are a very conservative trader and if you don't like the swings that market takes on days of expiry, you should not trade and you should definitely not make any position on the days of expiry. Again, let us come back to Bank Nifty. So option activity range for the Bank Nifty is 23,700 to 24,500. Call side, what I can see is aggressive call rating at a lower level, 23,700, 23,800, 23,900. All the option strike price has seen good amount of call writing. At a put side, I can see fresh bearish position being made at 23,700 and 23,800. All other levels have witnessed put short covering. That is also something that is suggesting a bearish market outlook. So as per my yesterday's video analysis, I said that if market trades below this 24,010 or something level, I must have suggested, if market trades below this level, you can definitely expect market to go towards 89 days exponential moving average. And if you have traded accordingly, you should have definitely made some money. Now, what would be the target for the for the Bank Nifty for the days to come? Let us check the weekly chart. So here you can see weekly chart has already generated bearish crossover, tested its 21 days exponential moving average. Now if at all any bounce back is there, it has to come right now. In case it does not come or market breaks this level, which is, just a second, I'll tell you, 23,642, you can definitely expect market to go much down at a level of 22,902. That is the kind of move you should see if the market is not able to come up or trade or fails to trade above its 89 days exponential moving average. So uh, if we analyze the indicators, RSI is already suggesting a bearish move. MACD is already trading below the negative zone. Again, both the RSI and here you can see RSI and here you can see the MACD, both are trading at a support level. So any bounce back, as I said earlier, should come. If at all it would have been, it should come right now. Otherwise it would be too late and market will definitely trade below this level. Again, volatility has increased and we can expect a high volatility because it's because on the days of expiry you should definitely expect some sort of higher volatility to prevail. So that was kind of move that I am suggesting. And since the market has not closed below 89 days moving average, I would not suggest you to write or uh, I would not suggest you to write the call option for the Bank Nifty. But what I would suggest, if market trades below 89 days exponential moving average, you can buy fresh puts in the for the next series and expect a target as per my levels I suggested. So uh, Nifty and Bank Nifty both are trading at a very crucial level, and this is not something very often we are experiencing, that market is trading below is 89 days or above or near is 89 days exponential moving average. So expect a higher volatility in the days to come. It would be lot of drama, because if market fails to trade above the crucial level, it would go much down, and if market trades above that level, you will definitely see some sort of bounce back happening or a failed bounce back. But in short, you will see a lot of volatility if market trades continues to trade above its crucial support level, which is 89 days exponential moving average, both for the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. So guys, that was my analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty. These are provisional analysis. In case any changes happens, I'll definitely update you if you are with me on my WhatsApp, so watch out for that. And as always, if you have liked my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share it to your friends and family. And uh, if you have any doubts or query or something like that, you can always mention in the comment section of the video. Thank you.